the Irish duck dancing pair and the Chinese lion song. Although the origin of salsa is unknown, it is a mix of many Latin and Afro-Caribbean dances, and similar to the mambo. And next up, our husband-wife duo dancing the salsa, the Ferrantes.
Ferrante, salsa, and my husband Mike Ferrante. I started dancing when I was 2. I took ballet like all the girls do, and then I became a tap dancer. I love to dance. It's always been a great exercise and outlet for me, like I said, when I was a kid, but never really did it as an adult now. Practices are going good. We laugh a lot. It's been a great experience learning a new type of dance like salsa, and I'm looking forward to performing in the show. It's been very funny because my husband Mike thought that it would be really easy doing salsa because we really love to dance. We used to go to dancing, but it's been hard to learn a uniform dance with specific steps, and it's been a real challenge. Actually, our instructor is Catherine Almonte. She graduated a few years ago from South. I think we're going to do great. I think it's all for a great cause. I know that our teachers are very into the competition. We're competitive too, but I think that the bottom line is raising money for the St. Jude's Hospital, and that's all that counts. I hope that they have fun out there, that they are laughing and smiling, and I wish everybody a lot of luck, and I know that we're all going to do a great job.
Where are you from? I still love you though.
Miss Henry?
Wow, you two hot. I didn't know you had it in you. It was just wonderful, and you looked like you were having a great time. You did an outstanding job.
You both did a fabulous job. Janine, your smile was radiant. It lit up the dance floor. Kudos to your husband for coming in and being an outsider tonight. You're always welcome at South. You guys, you could tell that you worked so hard. You really performed very nicely. It was a wonderful version of a salsa. It's one of my personal favorite songs.
Just so you have stage left.
You guys, it was fascinating. Honestly, at first, all I could focus on was the Swaranti smile and how much it like took away attention from everything. And I thought you guys were awesome out there and had fun.
Hey, I thought it was awesome. Just to piggyback on Miss Henry, I think it was 3 T's hot. Mike, I thought you did great. It was an awesome presence and great job.